Hi everyone, it's Kiersten
And me, Michael.
from Kiersten Red Resale. We're gonna pick, both of us are gonna be picking our two winners for the giveaway for helping me and Michael reach over 500 subscribers. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys. So this is, I guess, a way we can show you how much we do appreciate you. So we have everyone who gave us a comment. We have it on a tiny little piece of paper. I'm going to shake it, and this is too small, so then we're going to dump it in here. And I'm going to pick one, and Michael's going to pick one. That's good. Okay, empty it in there. Okay, okay. We just mix. Who are you going to mix?
You got to mix them even more.
Okay. We got a lot of people with little, okay. So I'm going to pick one. I picked one. You pick one, Michael.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Michael's winner is going to win this amazing Egyptian Revival collar necklace.
Do you want to see who won that?
Yeah, sure.
Let's see who won it, baby. Right? Dun, dun, dun.
Sue from Denim to Diamonds won. Yay, Sue. That is so funny. Sue, congratulations.
Okay, and Kiersten is going to give away this box of wonderful stuff.
Yeah, this is a sterling silver jewelry lot. Okay. So, ready, guys? You ready? Misty from Misty's Treasure Chest. Woo!
Yay!
Oh, my goodness. So, thank you guys so much. And everyone who has helped us through this little journey of ours. Yeah, we appreciate you. And I just wanted to do something. And I'm sure I'll be doing many more giveaways. Anyway, this is just a quick little, what is this called? Video drawing. And yeah. So congratulations, Sue and Misty. I will email you guys, I guess. Okay. Everyone, thank you so much for entering. And yeah, have a great evening.
Bye.
Bye.